lets you place images on your website. Images are a simple and visual way to express a message to your website users and are important to build a visually impressive site. To add an image widget to your website, expand the Widgets tab, then locate Image under the Media section. Then select and drag the widget to a row or column on your site. Once you add your widget, you will be prompted to select an image. You can choose an image that is supplied with your selected theme, or you can upload your own widget. Select the T-shirt company stock image, or search the web for free images under a Creative Commons license from an image supply such as Unsplash or Flickr. Select an image, then click OK. Under the Design tab, you can select a layout option such as Inline, which displays just the image, Card, which displays the image with text content beside the image, or Overlay, which displays the image with text content overlaying the image. Overlaying the image. Both the card and overlay lets you specify the image position, either left or right. Plus, the image title and format, and the image subtitle text and format. To apply your changes, click OK. And don't forget to save and publish your changes live.